Hello everyone. My name is Kumar Gaurav
And my name is Bhavyashri.
and welcome back to our channel Let's Practice Together. So today we are going to dive into a very popular problem in data structure called reversing a linked list. But before directly diving to the code, let's discuss about linked list. So tell me Bhavya, what do you mean by linked list?
Linked list is a data structure that consists of a sequence of elements called nodes. Each node contains two parts, the data and a reference to the next node. The last node has a reference to null, indicating that end of the list.
Perfectly defined. And you can see in editor also they have already given the structure of the list node. And as you defined, here are also two part int val, which is nothing but the data, and list node pointer next, which is nothing but the reference to the next node, correct?
Yes,
Okay. So tell me what will be your approach to solve this problem?
there are various approaches like recursion and iterative, but I prefer to use iterative method.
Okay, so tell me more like how you will do by using iterative.
Like this algorithm involves iterating through the complete linked list while changing the next pointer of each node to point to its previous node.
Okay, so can you directly start writing the code? So we can discuss while writing the code only.
Okay.
And as you said, like you are using iteration method rather than recursion method, and it is too good because iteration method will be more memory efficient and faster also in case
Huh.
of large linked list. So you have started writing the code, you have taken list node pointer, which is the structure
Huh.
name.
Okay. Here we are taking two pointers.
Okay, so in slashing two pointer, you have written list node pointer previous. Okay, and previous you have set to null, and the another pointer which you will say
Node.
node. Okay,
We will initialize it with head.
head. So I believe that you have taken node for iterating math for iterating purpose, right? For while loop.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so write while. hmm And then what will be your next step? So
And here we'll take one more.
variable.
Yeah.
Huh.
To
So
store the.
reversing a linked list means what? You are just destroying the connection between the two nodes
Huh.
and making the connection in reverse manner, right?
Yes.
So as soon as you will break the connection between 1 and 2, what will happen? The second part will be get lost.
Huh.
So for storing the second part, you need another variable. So that's why you're writing list node pointer and let's call it anything. So
Like
temp,
10.
right? So temp will be what? Temp will be nothing but node of
Node
next.
of next.
So I hope you understand why we taken temp to store the next part, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now you have to destroy the link between 1 and 2. So how you will destroy? You will say node of next equals to
Previous.
previous. And as in starting you have defined previous equals to null, that means the last node, as you defined the last node has a reference to null, that means 1 already become the last node, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So now 1 will become the previous node also, so previous equals to node. Perfect. And now you will shift the node to the next part, so node equals to temp.
Temp.
Very good. So we will repeat this process until we reach to the end of the linked list, right?
Yes.
Yes. So at last what you will return?
At last we will return previous.
Previous. Very good. So it is that is only the tricky part here. So we have to return previous, not the node. Why? Because the previous is pointing now at the last one, like 5. So previous become the new head. So that's it. This is the smallest code and I think this is very easy to understand. So just run the code
Huh.
and yes, it's accepted. So let's submit the code. So I hope you find this video helpful and if there is any doubt, any problem, you can ask in the comment section. So, and we will meet again to solve the next problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you.